So everybody, today we are going to play Jeopardy. Do you know what Jeopardy is? Yes. Oh, do you already know? What is it? Yes, please. Yes.
Yes, Jeopardy means it means dangers.
Jeopardy means danger. So are we going to play any dangerous game?
Yes, we are ready.
That means you people are adventurous.
Yes.
But here in FEA, we have many laptops also. So I care for you people as well. So this is why we are not going ahead with any dangerous game. But yes, Jeopardy is the name of a game where we have quizzes. Quizzes on the topics which we have already covered. So it is a kind of consolidation, but in the form of quizzes. Alright? Yes. But we have some rules of Jeopardy. So this is why please listen to me carefully so that you understand all the rules. Fine? Yes. So in this game, we have two teams. I will be dividing this class into two teams. Team A and
Team B.
Team B, yes. Okay, and then you all have to stand in a queue. Both the teams will stand in a queue. Team A will stand here and Team B will stand not here on the board, here. Okay, and after that we will have a battle of buzzer. Have you seen any TV reality shows where people have buzzer? Yes. They press the buzzer. Yes. The person who presses the buzzer first gets the opportunity to answer. Yes. So we do not have that buzzer. We will create our own buzzer. Okay? So here the people, the students standing first in the queue will have a buzzer round. Here I can ask you to clap on the count of 3, or you may have to share the third letter of any word. So I will be giving you different kind of activity which will be called as the buzzer round. Now the person who wins that battle, the person among these two who wins that battle gets the opportunity to select the category and the question. Now here you can see that we have 3 categories here. What are these 3 categories? First one is articles, right? So the questions we have are related to articles here. Second category is pronunciation. So all the questions here are related to pronunciation. And the third one is very nice. Okay, so the winner of this battle of buzzer will get the opportunity to select the category, and here we will follow the sequence. Can you see the points here? 100, 100, 100, then 200,
200 and again
300, 300 and 300. So we will go in sequence. Otherwise, I know for getting highest point, you people go for 400 directly. So we will follow the sequence. First, we will select for 100 points, but we can select any category. Is it clear?
Yeah. Clear.
Okay. So let's say Team A was the winner of the battle round, and this team has selected one category and a question of 100 points. After this, I will give you some time to discuss the answer of that question. I will display the question on the screen.
Yes.
You will read it aloud. I'll make you understand the question as well. After that, I'll give you some time. It can be 20 seconds or 30 seconds as per the question. To discuss the answer with your team member. So everybody, not only team A, but also team B. Both the teams will discuss the answers with their team
member.
Okay. After that, team A will share the answer first. Okay, I said team A will share the answer first. That means team B is also going to get the opportunity to answer. Right? So both the teams will get the opportunity to answer the question. Now here there are three cases. Okay? There can be three cases that maybe team A has answered it right, team B has answered it wrong.
Yes.
Okay, but only these first two members have to answer. Now in this case, when team A has answered it right and team B has answered it incorrect, then who should get the points? Team A will get the points. Now in case team A, even though team A was the winner of the battle of buzzer, still if team A answers it incorrect and team B answers it correctly, then who will get the points?
Team B.
Team B will get the point. Now, in case both the teams have answered it correctly, then who should get the points? Why team A? Why not team B? Okay, any one of you may share. Yes, Ajay.
I think team A will get the chance to earn point because of they are the winner of the battle and buzzer round.
Exactly, very nice. Okay, so team A will get the chance to answer the question. They will get the points. Okay, I hope this much is clear.
Yes.
Now after this, the team members who were standing in front, they will move at the end, and the person who was standing on second number, that person will move here first.
Yes.
Okay, and then next battle of buzzer will take place between these two members, and again the same process will be repeated. I hope the game is clear.
Yes.
There is one more very interesting thing, and this is my favorite part. Can anybody guess what it is? Yes, please.
Your favorite part is negative marking.
Absolutely right. Yes, I enjoy giving you people negative marking. Okay. So when will I give you the negative points? First thing, if anybody is not going to answer in full sentence, then I will give you minus 50. Happy? Yes. Yes. Will you be happy with minus 50? Yes. Huh? Minus 50. It will reduce your points. Yes, so please answer in full sentence. And second time, because as I have shared that the people standing on first position will be only answering. But if somebody from back prompts the answer, or they say that, okay, please say this, please select this option, then also in that case, I'll give you minus 50. Okay? Fine? Shall we start the game? One more thing, everybody, that is in some of the questions you will get bonus questions. Means there will be two questions, one is regular question and one is one extra question which is related to the other question. Okay, so first we are going to answer that bonus question, and then for that we will get bonus points as well. Okay, we'll get 50 bonus points for that extra question. All right? Okay. So shall we start the buzzer round? Yes. Okay. So when I say, you can come shift this side. When I say go, you need to clap. The person who claps first will get the opportunity. Okay? 1, 2. Or you can keep your hands back. On go, you need to clap. Okay? If somebody claps before I said go, then the chance will automatically go to other team. 1, 2, 3, 4. As I said that if you clap before I say go, so the chance goes to this team, right? Okay, so now you can select the category. You can come this side. Please select the category.
I would like select two articles.
I would like to select articles
Articles.
for 100 points. Can you please read the question?
Fill in the blanks. Question is fill in the blanks with correct articles. Have you got fill in the blanks card fixed yet?
Have you got dash car fixed yet? So what do we have to fill here? Any article, either a, an or the. Okay, I'm giving you 20 seconds to discuss the right answer with your team. Your time starts now. Everybody has to participate in the discussion. Okay, please come back in the line, everyone. Yes, what is the right answer?
Answer is have you got the car fixed yet?
The car fixed yet? What is your answer?
Have you got the car fixed yet?
The car fixed yet?
Yes.
Shall I log the answer?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. And the answer is absolutely right. Yes. But why only the? Why not any other article? Yes.
Because car is fixed. That's why the articles coming here.
Yes. Because we are talking about any specific car.
Yes.
Right? This is why we have to use the. Very nice.